I believe this data insight problem is a little bit harder than some because I believe you need to do a little bit of math, or at least write more stuff down. So I've written a chart: distance, rate, and time. Distance, rate, time. And my first row will be the first leg of the trip, and my second row will be the second leg of the trip. So from the problem, it says Marta averaged X miles per hour. So that would be a rate for 2 hours. And then she finished the trip up at Y miles per hour for 3 hours. So you can see that the distance then would be, we know distance equals rate times time. So her distance would be 2x, and this would be 3y. And her total distance would be 2x plus 3y, and her total time is 5 hours. Now in this problem it says, what was her average speed in miles per hour? Average speed, that's your rate. If you solve this equation for rate, you get d over t equals rate. So that's what I'm trying to find. So her average speed or rate would be total distance over total time, which would be total distance is 2x plus 3y over total time, which is 5. All right. Now let's look at our clues. Let's see if we get enough information to find this. Clue 1 gives us 2x plus 3y is 280. Well, that works because we could plug that in if that's exactly what our numerator is, and that would be 280 over 5, and we would know what the average speed was. So clue 1 works. Clue 2 says y equal x plus 10. That's not going to work. You're still going to have a variable in your equation. But look at your average speed, 2x plus 3 times y, which is x plus 10 over 5. And you're still going to have an x in there. That's going to be 2x plus 3x plus 30 over 5. That's 5x plus 30 over 5. You've still got the x, so that doesn't work. So the only clue that works is 1, and your answer would be A.